Hey there, gearheads and curious minds. Welcome back to Weekly Tools. Today, we're diving into a crucial component of your car's emission control system, the EGR, or Exhaust Gas Recirculation System. Stick around to learn how it works, why it's essential, and what to look out for when it's not functioning properly. Exhaust gas recirculation is an emission control technology allowing significant emission reductions from most types of diesel engines. The EGR valve is usually located near or attached to the intake manifold, with a tube running to the exhaust manifold. A faulty EGR system spells increased fuel consumption, more emissions, and erratic performance of it will turn on the check engine light on your dashboard and store the EGR system-related error codes. Short-distance driving is permitted if you find these symptoms in your car, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. To save more money on car expenses, claim engine code scanner by clicking the link here or at the description link below. Like any system, the EGR can face issues. Carbon buildup is the most common problem, which can clog the valve and affect performance. Regular maintenance, like cleaning or replacing the EGR valve, keeps your engine running smoothly. And that's the EGR system in a nutshell, a small yet mighty component helping your car run cleaner and more efficiently. If you found this explanation helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what car topics you'd like us to cover next.